Welcome to PK's tutorial today. Today we're going to talk about important function that you need to know for DSLR camera. Some of those functions are right here, as you can see. This by the way is model Nikon D3200. This is the beginner's camera. Once we get to advanced level, we'll upgrade them. This is manual. I'm pretty sure you're taking a picture right now in auto, which everything does for you. For example, I press this, automatically flash came up, so we don't want that. If I go to manual, that won't happen, but later on in life we'll talk about that too. So auto is pretty much same thing. The thing that you see here is a flash. This you guys really don't need. The main function that you guys need is this for. Manual is when you change IOS, shutter, and aperture by yourself. A is for aperture, S is for shutter, and P is for program. When you put on A, this controls the light and how blurry you want to make your background. When you put on your shutter, that controls your light too, basically, but it's like shutter in real life, the opening of lens. Pretty much aperture and shutter are pretty same thing because they control light. Let's get into more. Okay, reset shooting mode. Let's do that so we can restart everything same. Set picture control. This is the standard. You need that, don't really matter. These are real good. These are one of the important thing that you need in camera. JPEG is just fine. You can take picture and it'll be a lot more. Also when you really want good quality, big size picture, when you want to enlarge it and print it, the high resolution is NEF RAW. That's what you need, and if you want both, then you go up, and if you don't, then that's good. Image size, you pretty much want large because the larger it's better it is. White balance, you really don't need this, but when you're really in situation where you need it, then you need it, because when you're inside you can do that. Incandescent and basically you can adjust, like if you want to make your picture yellowish or reddish, or just put it in neutral by press middle. Also, let's reset that again. ISO is one of the main thing, because the higher the ISO, the brighter the picture it's gonna be. Also, the lower the ISO, the less noise that you have in your picture. So ISO is something to look out for. Let's go to active delighting. You really don't need about nothing for that. Built-in flash illumination, you want to put that on. Movie setting, if you're gonna video record from your DSLR, then I recommend changing this to 920 by 1080p. That's the highest you can get in there. Now they have 4K and stuff in there, but this is really D3200. This is pretty much all you need. This is the menu. This is the menu screen that you'll need. And we'll talk about all this in depth in our coming up videos. So and this little thing is really important, because when you look through your viewfinder, this controls how clear you see the picture. If this is round up like here somewhere, you're gonna see it really blurry, but your picture is going to be clear. But when you look through your viewfinder, it's gonna be blurry. But so you want to keep that in neutral too. Also, main thing to look out here for 3200, this is how you go to live. So this is really blurry right now. Let me zoom out a little bit. Also, and that's pretty much all you need to know for this video, and we'll talk about more later. Thank you.